Okay guys, so let's say you actually made a mistake deleting deleting your file. Let's say we made a mistake deleting our home.css file, because we don't actually want to delete our home.css file, because our home.html actually depends on our home.css. If we actually delete it, it's going to, our HTML will be looking weird. So let's say you don't want to delete this file, and if we head over to our git series, as you can see, our home.css has been totally deleted from our git repository. There's no way we can recover this here now. So one advantage of making use of git is the ability to restore deleted files. So if you delete a file by mistake, you can actually restore this file using the command git git restore. Let's unstage it first. We just copy out this command, and the name of our file was git restore staged home.css. So go ahead and hit enter, then git status to still be okay. So now to restore this our file, because it hasn't been restored yet, we just unstaged it. To restore this our file, we go ahead and hit git restore, then our file name. Sorry. Then go ahead and hit git status. I'm pretty sure I've restored our file, so we list, as you can see, our home.css file is back. Then if we head over to our git series, as you can see, our home.css file is back. Our cascading style sheet is back here. So that is how you can restore deleted files in your git repository. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.